think I would have figured out a faster way of doing this. I just need a small gasket, so I'll need a rubber boot. But that's how I've been doing it for a while. That way I can sand her down. Make her look pretty, man. Today's going to consist of finishing up that turn, putting some light bulbs in. I have some more of those security lights I have to put up, but because the bushes are in front of the lights and it just rained, I can't get up on the ladder because the ladder runs would be wet and I'd be up 12 foot. Well, 10 foot on a ladder. So, but we will replace one bulb in a hallway. No big deal. Might go over there to the other property and look at that washer, see if I get it running. Just do something, man. Have a productive day, man. There's always something in your way. Anyways, we'll get some soft white balls for that department. Huh? No, I'm doing great. How you guys doing?
Hey, when you get that 1 million followers, you start making big money, so forget us.
Never know, man. Get this countertop is dropped down. Slowly. Play down here. Just right. Very simple. Yeah, boy. Real easy. This is why you don't put silicone behind the sink. But you have to get it off, man. Whenever you're against the drywall surface, never put silicone. Real easy. Well, we gotta go touch up a paint or tub. I don't know, it looks weird, man. It looks like maybe somebody put cigarettes out on it. I don't know. It's a hard coating. No runs, no drips. This is not appliance paint. I think I got some. Appliance paint. Fiberglass bathtub. It's Kills. I think that would leave it. Kills would leave like a yellow mark on it. Got a whole bunch of engine paint though. Fresh white, high gloss enamel, duplicate, automotive. Well, like I always say, work with what you got. Whole bunch of automotive paint, fire extinguisher. I don't think I need a fire extinguisher today. So, guess this is what we're gonna work with today. Go do this, man. That had all the crap laying around the place. The kitchen was all net. This is the one that had all the fleas, but it looks really nice now. Had that ceiling damage. Had a couple of really bad spots in here. Had a big drywall patch over in the corner. Looks really good now. The problem we got is with the bathtub. This is also where I patched the ceiling. It's got all these spots all over the bathtub. And the cleaning lady's already been here. It's almost like the finish has come off the tub. So we'll slap a little bit of paint on it, see if we can make it look better. We'll put a little bit down on the bottom. Ooh. See, that's white. White. Yeah. Don't look too bad. I'm trying to just real lightly hit it. Real lightly. That don't look bad. I mean, it's white spots. It's better than having round spots. From a distance, it don't look too bad. Down the bathtub, you definitely tell there's white spots there. Yeah. You can definitely tell I hit it, but it looks better than it did. Let's go on, bro. Let's go break something. And Debbie's really good about cleaning stoves, man. I mean, she's an ace. But that's ruined. Wow, I've never seen a stove do that. Well, let's go do a towel bar. Repair. Good times, man, good times. This one will come out next. We'll get in the back. Special keys are. We'll pull these out real quick. We'll go ahead and do both of them. These out. Bring the molly with it. Okay. Pull this one out. You know, on this one here, I'm gonna go ahead and just sink another molly right there. Put one on top, put this one here, because it's blown out. We're gonna set us a molly. We're gonna put us a butterfly in the wall, bruh. I'll put one of these in there. So we'll put a molly up top. We'll put one of these big spiders in there. We'll get the mount, and hopefully it goes in that hole. Might have to ring it in that hole. See if I can get down there. Yep, it's close. Okay, so I'm able to get it on the mount. I just don't want to have to redo this freaking wall, you know what I mean? So, let's see if I can get it to go in this hole. There we go. Now she just butterflied out. So now, get that about centered where it used to be. Got it all back together. So people have been playing hopscotch with the freaking parking block. And that's a big boy there. I don't know if I can move that or not. That's a big one. Jeez. It's as big as my foot is, man. Ooh, that's a big one. So I need a bar stick in the hole to drag it. I think I got one in the shed. What I used last time. Go in that hole. I don't think it's going in that hole, man. But see what else I got. I know what I used last time with the big freaking strap. I think I got a couple straps in the shed. Let's go over there. Found a strap. We'll see if this works. Using a strap on it's a little easier. You put a strap around the end of it and pull it. Standing straight up and down is a whole lot easier on this old man than it is to be all bent over. Let's go do this, man.
okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. While you make my heart beat faster when we get close. Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know. If it's you and me, hey, it's what you need, hey. I gotta know. You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. While you make my heart beat faster when we get close. Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know. If it's you and me, hey, it's what you need, hey. I gotta know. You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing
that done.
really lasts forever.
Now let's go make some people have a bad day. Yep, my car's still there. I got a car sitting there with the expired tax in August. It just showed up. And then I got this vehicle here. Got flat tire. So I thought I had my toe tags in the car, but guess not. I think they're in the truck. Let's go check real quick.